And when us are ready, so let's start. What is this?
I love my daddy. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
Let's turn to the next page.
Yeah.
My daddy is amazing. He always plays with me. Oh, ahoy! We soaked on our plate, sent out to sea. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
Now, you honor the page. Daddy is so much fun. He loves to explore. We find creepy, crawly things. Wagging on the floor. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
Now, the next page. At the festival, Daddy takes me on the one-way tour. It's so exciting. I want to go. Okay. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
Let's go to the next page. When the cold wind blows and it's wet outside, Daddy and I snuggle up, sitting side by side. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
Bath time. It's the best. Daddy makes lots of pepper. I giggle as I give him lots. I give him lots of bubbly colors. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
Next page. I love my daddy's stories at the end of the day. When I start to yawn, he puts my book away. Good job, Mommy.
Good job.
When I feel so very tired, Daddy carries me to bed. He kisses me very gentle and says, "Good night, sleepyhead." The end.
Good job. Clap for yourself. Clap, clap, clap.